When it comes to friendship and business, some people take things to the next level. That's exactly what Ituma Chukwuemeka, the billionaire businessman from Ebonyi State, and he's also the CEO of Enviable Transport. This is what he just did for his close friend and business partner, Obi Cubana. In an unexpected and grand gesture, Ituma Chukwuemeka has procured 50 brand new tricycles, popularly known as keke to honor Obi Cubana's birthday. But here's the twist. Obi Cubana's birthday is still a month away. It's still very far. The Anambra-born billionaire, known for his lavish lifestyle and deep commitment to empowering people, is celebrating his birthday on April 12, 2025, just a month away. However, his Ebonyi brother and business ally, Ituma Chukwuemeka, couldn't wait to show appreciation for their partnership, their friendship, and all that Cubana represents. The 50 tricycles were purchased as a symbol of their shared vision of wealth creation and community upliftment, further solidifying their reputation as leading Igbo businessmen, making an impact across Nigeria and even beyond. You all can agree with me that these two Igbo billionaires are really making Ndigbo very proud. The connection between Obi Cubana and Ituma Chukwuemeka goes beyond business. While Obi Cubana is widely known for his Cubana Group empire, which includes high-end nightclubs, hospitality businesses, and real estate investment, Ituma Chukwuemeka has built a name for himself in the transport sector, with his company, Enviable Transport, becoming one of the fastest growing logistics and transport businesses in Nigeria. Over the years, the duo has formed a powerful business relationship, sharing investments and strategies that continue to uplift the Igbo business community. Their friendship is a testament to the power of collaboration, proving that when successful individuals come together, they can actually achieve even greater things. Beyond their personal successes, Obi Cubana and Ituma are setting a high standard for Igbo businessmen across Nigeria. They are not just focused on acquiring wealth, but are actively giving back to society, powering young entrepreneurs and supporting local businesses. With this latest surprise, Ituma Chukwuemeka is sending a strong message about the importance of celebrating and honoring those who contribute positively to society. The 50 keke will serve as a means of livelihood for many families, creating employment opportunities and economic empowerment for those in need. This act aligns with the Igbo philosophy, which emphasizes bringing wealth back home and supporting one's people. Although Obi Cubana's actual birthday is still weeks away, this unexpected gift has already sparked conversations about the deep brotherhood and mutual respect between these two billionaires. It is not just about the money, it's about recognizing impact, celebrating loyalty, and giving back to the people. As April 12th approaches, one can only imagine what other surprises lie ahead. But one thing is certain, when Igbo billionaires move, they move in grand style. What do you think about Ituma Chukwuemeka's gesture? Let's talk in the comments.
Ahí le tenemos. So, 50 for 50. Oh, yeah, yes. Oh, yes, like this. I don't think I'm going to